We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Uweff. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle with a long leg that tagged the area of support. So we don't know if that market is going to be respected for that support and finally push up, or is that market going to follow up with another bearish candle that can close down further and close out, or small candles bearish working its way down. Price action, overall higher highs of the market. Price action, overall lowest lows of the market. Midpoint in the middle. So let's identify what we see in that area. So market can be coming from a pattern, which is sitting right at the top here, and that can be a double top and followed up with a retest. So we can see that market's can be forming that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Price action can be the retest, can follow up with a bearish red candle that pushed that market down from a double top and a retest. If not, market can be respected from this area here and when their price is at for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushes out for that W, breaks and retests either the previous above SR line or the overall midpoint SR line for that market to retest and work its way up. Also, for to see that market is receive a clean break to the upside of that midpoint, you want to see price close eventually above this long wick right here to push that market up, so it'd be near the midpoint range, forming a pattern of that double bottom and retest. And just because we have this price action candle here with the long wick, it can still follow up with bearish red candles working its way down, or a huge candle that's going to push down. If we do receive a huge candle, or eventually become a huge candle, or a candle that's going to close out below this price action candle, the market can drop down further. Also, price action in that area of this candle here with the longest wick to the top, longest wick to the bottom, anything in here would be consolidation to receive the breakout to the top side or downside. So we're looking for market to break this area of the midpoint or lowest low. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So price is trying to form a pattern. Okay, first price is on. So we have price action, bearish green candle. Okay, it's small, so it's considered a doji if there's no wick or not. It's a weak candle. So we have price action midpoint and price action low that we created from the higher time frame. So price is sitting at a midpoint of that area. So we're still looking for that pattern to form and break. Is spotted. So, but if we connect the dots, we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, and then price stop at the midpoint. So we don't know if that market's going to break up, retest, work its way up further, or break down, retest, and work its way down further. But we do know that price is consolidating sideways at a decline level, but also is inside of a range. So we're still waiting for the overall breakout. Headed down to the daily time frame. Definitely two spotted, but we can try to figure out what's going on. We have that first, second, third, fourth leg, so we can see that market did do that W. If it breaks that midpoint, we look for the break and retest, and for that market to work its way up further. Now, if this market is going to drop, it can be followed up with the first leg, second leg. This is the third leg. So we look for a pattern to identify itself, or spots to identify itself, for that market to push down for that M to come back to the overall lowest low. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, two spotted. Okay, but we can still kind of see an area of support here, and the market still pushed up. So it's still identifying that W, or maybe that double top, first, second. Price is still in that third leg, sitting at the midpoint, waiting for a pattern to identify itself to see if it's going to push down for that fourth leg. Headed down to the 3. Right, price is still sitting at that midpoint. Headed down to the 2, same as well. Headed down to the 1. Headed down to the 45, same as well. Headed down to the 30, same as well. Headed down to the 15. Blurry, but we can see that market still creating that consolidation. So what I see here is on the 15, we have a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market did a double bottom, cut and break, decline, push down overall, stopped at an area of support. The market pushed right back up, consolidated with the last 3 candles in the market. So that market's still trying to form. It's still on that. It's on like a first, second. Now is it going to push down for a third leg, or is it going to break up to the top side, retest the top, work its way up for a double bottom incline? Headed down to the 5, market's working its way sideways, so it's consolidation. Starting to see a little more structure. There was a decline W here. I end up pushing right back up to that midpoint, and market's consolidating sideways on the 5-minute time frame. Headed down to the 3-minute time frame, 5, 3, identifying the same thing, and the 1 as well. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. Uweff stock.